Welcome to the Google Sheets Sync feature in Calley. This feature allows you to automatically import leads from your Google Sheets and distribute them to your calling team without uploading files again and again. If you're running Facebook ads, landing page campaigns, or any lead generation activity where leads are getting saved in a Google Sheet, you can directly connect that sheet to Calley. To get started, click on Sign in with Google and authenticate your Google account. Once connected, simply select the Google Sheet from which you want to import leads. Next, give your calling list a name and click on Connect. A new calling list will be created and linked directly to your selected Google Sheet. Now, whenever new leads are added to that sheet, or if there are existing leads already present, they will automatically sync into Calley and get distributed among your agents at scheduled intervals. While setting up the list, you'll need to map the fields from your Google Sheet with the system fields. There are 3 mandatory fields to map: name, phone number, and notes. You can also map additional fields based on your subscription and calling requirements. Once the setup is complete, your lead flow becomes fully automated. New leads added to your Google Sheet will instantly start reaching your team without any manual upload required.